What you working on?
Busted bumper.
Busted bumper crew. Trying to get out of that busted bumper crew? You don't like this busted bumper?
I mean, I love it. It's just you want to change it.
Oh, yeah. Trying to keep you looking fresh, son.
Man, you must have to do this so many times.
Yeah, welcome to my life, son.
Yeah.
Almost got it?
Oh! Oh, it's coming out! Coming out! Yeah! So tiny accomplishment, but yeah!
Pull it off.
Let's see if it's the right one. You did well.
I guess you didn't get it all off. Back at it. Here we go.
3 hours later. Well, there's one that was easy, and then there's one that was hard.
Dude, I don't think you're going to make the 5-minute rule, bud.
Are you sure about that? Boom!
Finally. Pull that bumper off. There goes that.
Yes! Fun.
Pull it from the edge.
Okay. Oh.
What we got?
Radiator.
It's shiny. Nice. You get it?
Let's see.
Come on, son.
Hold on. I figured out. Come on, get down. Okay, you can get it now. Oh, my fingers. Whoa. Chill out.
That's shiny.
Shiny.
Let's check it out.
Hallelujah. Pew pew.
Heave ho. Seriously? That's all you got?
I'm strong. Yep. Right now we're taking out the stock radiator. If you watched our first video, yeah, I smashed into a cone trying to do figure eights.
Yeah,
But then again, the bumper, we fixed it. Go behind the scenes and see we got those plastic welding kit. It actually worked pretty well, so happy about that. And then we're putting a C&R radiator on it. Shiny. Yeah! Oh my goodness, look at how dirty that is. Oh, that's where the spark plug was.
That's what broke. I don't know why the spark plug was there, but I guess to use it as a drain plug.
Oh, look at how junky that is.
Well, don't know.
Yeah, we got the stock boy out. So we figured out that, well, when we first got the car, we noticed that the AC
look at these belts.
weren't working.
See how cracked they are?
Oh, wow.
So let's get a new belt.
That's
Let's get a
pretty
couple
cracked.
new belts.
And look at that AC, nowhere. There we go on the store. Just left in the RX-7. Woohoo! We just gotta get a belt and
Couple belts.
yeah, a couple of belts, I guess. Man,
How about that new Sparko steering wheel?
sure! Look at that! Look at that carbon fiber. We don't got a lot of carbon fiber on this car, but it's an RX-7. That's pretty sick. Look at Utah.
How about the mountains up there?
Once we pass that tree, look at that. Look at those beautiful mountains. Oh, look at that disappointing crack
Oh.
right there. Just right there. And we got that AutoZone right over there. Well, I think that's AutoZone right there.
Super close.
Sick. We'll be back in a couple of
Should we
seconds.
go AutoZone or O'Reilly?
So we have this crazy plans.
Crazy plans.
We're gonna try to get it from the bottom
Maybe.
up. To be honest, I don't think that's gonna work. But, well, we're unboxing it, so we gotta try to find a different way. Let's see how this goes. Oh, that does. It's actually better. A little bit going under the car, and then we finally did it. It's like, I think it's stuck in there now.
It's in there.
Just gotta reassemble the whole thing, and then be good. Now,
Right.
we just got these clips in. Now it's like hard as rock.
What a mess.
We're just gonna add the fans really quick. That should be it.
Probably should have taken this intake out, but yeah, whatever.
It would be pretty easy, but we don't want to take the strap bar off and then the intake.
There you go.
Oh, there we go. Yeah. Guess we didn't need to take Q out. Finally got the fan on. We're just trying to find some the correct bolts.
I'll put some nice little finish washers on here. And some nice Allen.
Now we just gotta add that hose into that, and then we can. Oh, it's going on. It is officially going on.
Well, that is supposed to be a little bit thicker, so we're gonna need to trim this hose down a little bit. See how this is all like bound up right there?
Oh.
We want it to be nice and smooth flowing. So probably this radiator is a little bit thicker than the stock one.
Yeah, because if you look at that, it ain't really, it's pretty thin. And if you look at that one, see, that's pretty thick.
So we're just gonna take a little bit off of this.
And if that's not enough, then just get a little bit more.
Well, it's better to take a little bit
Not
than
a
too
lot.
much.
Try to pull that weird plastic thing on.
See, that looks a lot better right there. See how that is nice and smooth flow?
Yeah, that one trying to get that off. No, I'm not gonna try. Yeah, because like that's not as skinny anymore. That's like more roundish. So close. Yes. Ah, it's coming together. Now that's in place. It's pretty much done. Okay. So now.
It's pretty much done. Oh wait.
Sorry, I've already said it. You can't take my line.
Pretty much done.
Isn't it crazy that somebody thought of putting a spark plug in that hole without really just getting the right thing? And we have a theory that it maybe was a lawnmower spark plug.
Yeah, because it was pretty small.
Yeah. I mean,
I also have a theory that that's probably why it broke off, because look at how far it's sticking down. If there was a normal plug in it, it probably wouldn't have been down that far, and then maybe it wouldn't have gotten knocked out. But now the drain plug is not underneath this cross member. It's all tucked up away.
yeah.
And you don't even have to worry about it getting knocked out. So we should be a lot better.
Yeah. It's my turn.
What's your turn?
Yeah. Finally.
About time. It's harder working on this thing. Should be working on all of it. All right, time for the bumper. So you, homie,
You're doing the right one.
kind of fix it up a little bit. It's good from far, but far from good.
Yeah.
But at least it's in one piece.
Oh.
Getting that finished up.
Yeah.
It's looking like a silver bumper.
Why is this on off?
I don't know. You're the one wrenching on it, homie.
You took it. You put it on off.
Lefty loosey, righty tighty.
Yeah, because he goes like this.
Hey, guess what?
Huh.
Lefty loosey, righty tighty.
Yeah.
You done yet? Holy smokes.
You had it on off. Don't blame me. Oh my God.
Ooh. Look at that thing over there. That thing needs some love. Whoa, that wasn't slow, but it's down. You stoked this all back together?
Yeah.
Oh, got the new PWR cap on there. Woo!
Just put the coolant in. It's still smoking.
Yeah, we're gonna let it cool down overnight and then double check it in the morning. Top it off if need be. Fitment is like on point. Cooling should be really good because the core is literally like twice the size of the factory one. So stoked on that, but yeah, it's looking good. Not a planned upgrade, but a much needed one, especially a spark plug drain plug.
Oh, that was the worst. We'll try to make it the next test sooner or later. Well, see you guys next time.